Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Eufy outdoor security camera. This is model number E220. Here's everything that comes in the box. It does come with a 32 gigabyte SanDisk micro SD card. We'll open that in a second. It comes with a power supply, a 20-foot long cord. Now you are going to have it plugged in the entire time. There is no battery in here, but you do get 24/7 recording if you'd like that. So right here, this is where you're going to put the micro SD card. You might have to use a little screwdriver. There's a sync button, and that's where you can do local recording. So you don't have to have a monthly subscription in order to view everything that this picks up. And you can also connect this to a home base if you want more storage. Okay, first thing, let's put the SD card in. Let's see, let's put it like this. It goes like this, yeah. Push it in and it should stay in. If you want to take it out, push it again and it pops out. Now we will need to press that sync button during setup, and there is a code here we're going to scan. But what's really neat about this, and this is a watertight seal. This is an outdoor camera, so make sure that's nice and flush. But the mount is so cool. Watch this. It's magnetic. So you mount this part. It does come with, you can use this two-sided tape to mount it to the side of the house, or you can screw it into the side of the house. There is a wall anchor there, but this little cable here, this little spot here is for, I'll show you. So this just simply sticks to there, okay? And now that's gonna go, that helps hold the cord. And then you can that just sticks wherever you'd want. See how the cord right there? So depending on, there's so many. Where is the magnetism on this thing? So it's pretty much all around. Not over the speaker. Okay. There's no magnetism, so they don't want you to cover the speaker, but right as soon as you get past the speaker, you've got magnetism. This is so cool. It's got a built-in spotlight. I can't get over. That's the mounting. And it's pretty strong. So you're going to mount this little bracket to the house with one screw. This magnetically sticks to that, and then this magnetically sticks to that. That's pretty cool. Again, it has to be plugged in. This is weather tight. So this is USB. This is micro USB. So you'll have to line that up. You got to look inside there. It'll only go one way. There's a short way and a long way. Line it up. Then you're going to press it in. It can be a little tricky. You want to make sure and get it in there. There. Now that's a watertight seal, and it's made a connection. 20 feet of cable now, and I've got to plug the other end into this right here. I'm going to plug this in. Now this is not watertight. This will have to be in an enclosure or inside the house, and just the cable comes outside. But this is USB-A, and you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 1 amp. Okay, so I plugged the outlet in. Now I've got this powered up. Now I know the connection is correct, because now I got like a purple light there. First, let's take some measurements. So with the camera mounted is about 3 inches out. That's about 1 5/8, almost. And depth wise, there's about 5/8. So this isn't very big at all. The little cable that sticks out is about 4 inches long. Okay, so in the Eufy security app, you're going to click the little plus button. You do have to log in. We're going to click on wired camera. We're going to click on outdoor cam. Okay, so it says plug it in, and then wait for the LED light to turn solid blue, which it is. Hit next. Now you're going to take your phone and scan that QR code here on the back. Okay, so now I scanned it. Now we're going to press the sync button. Okay, I held it till I heard a beep. Now I connected in my app. I told it that I heard the beep. Now I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi. So select your Wi-Fi. It only works on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi.
Network, please wait.
Okay, so I gave it the Wi-Fi password, and now it says it's connecting. The light's flashing blue.
Successful.
All right, so setup was successful. Give it a name. Next, so since you put an SD card in there, it asks you if you want to format it. So select format. Now this next one it's going to invert the video or turn the video upside down. So tell it whether is the spotlight up or down. If the spotlight on the camera is up, that's called the upright. So they consider this up. So you can mount it like this, but say there's an instant where you want to mount it and the spotlight is down, you're going to say it's in an upside down installation. Okay, here's what the live view looks like, and I can pinch and zoom. It's got 2K resolution. It's very clear. And down here I can also speak to it through it. I can turn the spotlight on, I can listen. I turn night vision on and off. It also has an alarm, and I can hit record. So let's turn the spotlight on. So yeah, that's a really bright spotlight. So I can have it when this will sense motion. So I can have it that when it senses motion, it turns the spotlight on. Maybe that's enough to scare somebody away. Or I could have it turn the spotlight on and the siren. And then it'll also record. You know, I can just have it when it senses motion, just record. Don't turn the spotlight on. So there's lots of different settings you can do. And then right now I'm doing a live view. And again, I can also set up 24/7 recording. So even if it's not sensing motion, this thing can record 24/7 because it has constant power. And you've got that SD card in there, micro SD card in there, and it can store up to about 6 days worth of video, continuous video. It'll overwrite after 6 days, but under normal usage, 6 days. I'm sorry, that's for a 64 gigabyte. This has a 32 gigabyte, is only 3 days. 64 gigabytes, 6 days. And in the video settings, it's not on by default, so you would turn that off, but there's the SD card. And something else, I'm not seeing where this will connect to a home base. So maybe the only local storage you get is on that SD card. I thought it could connect to a home base, but I'm not seeing that in the app. This is a really neat camera. Setup was super simple. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.